undoubtedly deserving of an amazing husband. And I think she found that. I'm not going to tell you. So, therefore, we share joy with them on this special day in their lives. Today, they affirm and declare each other as life partners in a celebration of love before God and before us all. Let us all give our blessing and love to them during this ceremony as they pledge their love to one another. John and Danielle. Marriage is a mutual enrichment, a give and take between two personalities, a blending of two backgrounds, which diminishes neither, but enhances both. To make this relationship work will take more than love. It will take trust to know in your hearts that you only want what is best for the other. It will take dedication to stay open, to communicate with one another, and to learn even when it's difficult to do so. And it will take faith to go forward in life together, not knowing what's in store for you both. While love is a natural state of being, these other qualities are not as easy to come by. Remember, this is not a destination, but a journey. At this time, in the presence of your closest friends and family, I ask that you promise each other that you would take on this journey together the rest of your days. Do you, Sean, take Danielle to be your wife? Do you promise to be true in good times and bad, and in sickness and in health? And do you, Danielle, take Sean to be your husband? Do you promise to be true in good times and bad, and in sickness and in health? Someone has a ring. Exchanging rings. These rings will serve as a reminder of the vow that you made to one another, and a symbol of love and unity. Symbols of love before God and His people. From now on, each of you will see your experiences through a new light, as life together unfolds. May you have the courage to love each other and all others on this earth, not only as you are now, but you are yet to be. It is with great pleasure that I present you as husband and wife. You've kissed 1,000 times, maybe more. But in front of your friends and family, this is the sealing arrangement of your vows to each other. Kiss your bride.
Yeah!
Somebody's tucking his mother in.